Hello, my name's Emma Leaman. I'm the head of the Education and Skills Infrastructure team in Birmingham. We set up a project 2 years ago to work with Sport England to make sure that we've got additional support for schools who want to develop community use on their sites. One of the things that's been really important for us in Birmingham is to make sure that we've got a joined up approach, that we don't have a leisure centre opening right next door to a school that is going to offer a very similar offer, or two neighbouring schools putting together community use that overlaps, because one of the key elements to keeping an affordable and accessible local offer is making sure there's a sustainable business plan and that the school is able to generate enough revenue from the footfall from community use and from that offer to cover the costs. The schools that we've worked with so far have levered in additional funding through bidding, for example, to Sport England for capital to enhance facilities and for start-up costs for community use. But we've also been able to provide some additional resources, for example, helping schools develop a safeguarding policy and some of those issues that we've encountered for schools that, for example, have PFI contracts, where we've worked very, very hard to make sure we can remove some of the barriers and help schools open their doors out of school hours and at weekends. There's a tremendous appetite for this among our schools because it's recognised that it directly improves outcomes for young people when we have wider family and community engagement. But there are also challenges. It's resource intensive. There are risks in terms of making sure that you can cover the costs of the activities that you put on. And we've got some tremendous success stories in the city, so part of our job is to make sure that we have ways of sharing that between schools. Community use on school sites is a really exciting opportunity for schools to open their doors to the wider community, but also to improve the offer that they make to their own young people during the school day. And where our schools have been able to lever in additional funding, for example, to enhance their external play areas or their sports halls, what that means is that we get real alignment of improving outcomes for young people, improving the public health objectives of ensuring that more of our local communities have access to sporting facilities. In Birmingham, we're really clear that schools have a key part to play at the heart of sustainable local communities, and community use on school sites is one of the key elements of that we're committed to continuing to work with, and partners like Sport England and our other national governing bodies of support are really integral to that, and we're looking forward to continuing that partnership working.